Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another edition of Still on the Trains. Today I will be reviewing my Class 20 in British Railway livery by Backerman Digital Sound. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, she's in much detail through the little viewing window of the box. And there's the words Class 20 and the Backerman logo, and most importantly, digital sound. Right, so let's open the box then. Most importantly, when knowing to open the box, you have got lots and lots of packaging which Backerman are well known for. You firstly have this front sleeve, which shows you what it is. And where it is, but that's not important, so we just fling that away. Then you have this box that keeps it also protected, but you just simply slide that off, and then that gets chucked away because that's got really only a code in it. Don't know what that is, but chuck that away. And then you've got this lovely sleeve, which is another helpful because you can't recycle this, but it's good because you get to keep it, and then you know what it's for. The trouble is, it's hard. Right up. And then most importantly, you've got another sleeve. But there she is. There's the Class 1. Now, firstly, you usually get this lovely detailed stuff. Which, as you can see in the packet, there's the chip that makes it go back to analog. And there's like a ladder and vacuum pumps and all that sort of stuff. I will be adding that on later on. I will let you have a run later on in the video. But first, let's get this packaging off, and I will let you look at her in detail. Okay. So there she is, the Class 20 in British Railway livery, BR green. As you can see, she's got a yellow front, well, a bit of yellow. So this is a train on its way. You see this? Get out the way! And yes, people, it is sprung buffing. I can't really see it very well, but it is sprung buffing. Try and get the finger out of the way. Yeah, they're all sprung buffing. But on the back, it's also got another yellow bit. One of these, the little windscreen wiper fell off, but yeah, yet again, sprung buffing. Now, you look in here, the roof to start with is much detailed. The grille you can see, but that's where the sound comes out of, which I'll stand up later. But this is in so much detail. I mean, look. You'd first start with one grey mould, and then it goes to the green bit. That is what I'm astonished about. Sorry about that, guys. Got interrupted by the door. Okay, so yes. Now onto side. It looks like it's one mould. Yeah, the grille is one mould. It's all one mould. Great detail. You even got your little handrails. You got your little handrails, and I don't think there is a guy in the cab, but the cab detail is right, quite good. This camera's not good at picking up big detail. If you can see, back number is a bit focusing there. Oh. This camera's going really bad. Sorry about that. The camera lens is rather dirty, so I have to get it cleaned. I've tried to clean it a bit, but yes. Yeah, there was numbers, but it's perfect. Underneath the wheel, well, the wheels first of all, you got detail on the wheels. You got your little yellow bits, and well, the underneath mould is astonishing. I mean, like you got you got your DCC sound logo, and then the Backerman logo next to it. I believe that all the wheels, all the wheels are powerful, all motored. This is a powerful loco. Oh god, it is a very powerful loco. It can pull twice as much as I'm going to show you it pulling. But anyway, yeah, it's these little tanks. So it's in good detail, very good detail. Okay, let's see her running them. Hello and welcome back, YouTubers. Right, I'm just about to turn on the sound. Now, as you can see, I'm not using the normal track I do, which is the one I'm using the outer leaf, because currently my Backerman is currently going under a bit of temporarily fatal bad disconnection. Keeps cutting out every single DCC loco. So I'm going to do it on my Hornby one. It's easy. Alright, let's turn on the sound then, people. Here we go. Okay, now let's warn the people on the track that we're going, and then we will let her overrun on her own too. Okay, and she's officially moving. Off the little jungle thing. Put her up to 12 o'clock. And down to Campton. Sorry about that, it's from the so that one is currently not running. I'm putting it on the using that to score right now. Right, put her up to the top speed, shall we? See if I can keep up with her. Any luck, I should. I mean, she isn't that quick. Or maybe she is quite quick. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, she's quicker than I thought she was. Okay, well, I will be back in a minute. With her running her stop. And that's the sound of her slowing down. It does take quite a while to slow down, as you can clearly see. Been about 2 times worse. Clearly, as you slow down, because the onion is not used to that speed. Still slowing down. Whew. Alright, it's getting a bit faulty now. This should be hopefully give us a little stop here. Oh, she's slowing down, she's almost coming to a halt. Almost. She does run. I'll give her up to a little bit of speed. You can see her running as slow as she possibly can. Well, 30 should go there. She's as slow as she can possibly run. Which, as you can clearly see, is really good. Get her up a bit, get her to stop right in front of the camera. And then I'm going to check this, what she's going to be pulling. And then she will yes, come back and I'll be back in a minute and give her rolling stop. Alright, hello and welcome back, and this is what she's pulling. She can pull 2 times as much as she's currently pulling. She usually pulls what is also stored over there, add-on, but I'm not going to do it today. I'll have a special from where she will have her true strength. So yes, let's let her go with her stuff then. And off she goes. And there she goes. Let's speed her up a bit. And off she goes. Right, I'm going to get her half speed because that's what I usually run at. It's a shame she don't have lights. If she actually had lights, then I would probably be in love with her. Forever. Can you imagine this lit up past 66s? Oh, I'll be in heaven. Yeah. Please, Facebook link for my Facebook page is down below. Please do like that. It tells you when I'm updating, when I've uploaded videos and I'm updating, and what's to come. And you can ask me questions on there, and tell me what videos you would like, what trains you would like me to review, and I'll tell you if you've got them or not. If you've seen any trains on here and you'd like me to review, then please do. Please comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and please do tune in again to another edition of Sean's Trains. Thank you and goodbye.